Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a webinar with Zoom step by step clearly. To create a webinar with Zoom, start by logging into your Zoom account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section. On the left sidebar, click on Zoom Webinar. Next, select the Schedule a Webinar button. Fill in the necessary details, such as the title of your webinar. Set the date and time for the webinar according to your schedule. Choose the duration of the webinar to inform participants. Select the type of registration you prefer, either required or not. If you choose to require registration, customize your registration options. You can also set up a waiting room for participants before the webinar begins. For additional security, consider enabling the password feature. Scroll down to set up advanced settings, like allowing participants to join before the host. Decide if you want to automatically record the webinar and choose the recording location. Once all details are filled in, click the Save button to finalize your settings. After saving, you will be taken to the webinar management page. Here, you'll find the link to your webinar, which you can share with your audience. You can also access settings to manage participants or adjust settings further if needed. At the scheduled time, return to the Zoom website or app to start your webinar. Click on the Start this webinar button to launch your session. Once inside, familiarize yourself with the controls for managing audio, video, and Now you are ready to present your webinar to an engaged audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.